Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to review the complete trading experience or the complete platform experience about the Go chatting. And it's not like that I was using the only Go chatting for a year now. I have been using this Go chatting when they were just providing only the market profile and volume profile. And 2K15, I think, yes, they have started from around 2K15 and 2K16. They were starting just to providing only the volume profile and market profile. From then I was using the Go charting. I have seen their evolution. They have implemented lots of things here. They have done a very great job. And because they are the first one to introduce this order flow trading tools on a web based, obviously it's impressions work done by the Go charting, because this is the world's first web based platform for order flow data analysis. So I'm going to share my the complete experience with the Go charting, and what are the changes or what are the things that I have seen and what are the best thing here, what are the pros and what are the cons. Obviously, there is a nothing product which comes with a 100% satisfactions of the customer. Each and every customer had their different needs and different choices. But right now we are going to discuss about the Go charting. Soon also we will going to discuss about the Countour platform and Ninja Trader platform also. So I'm going to share my complete trading experience and how does this platform is going to help you. What are the things that Go chatting need to take care of this, and what are the some other things need to be implemented as soon as possible with these Go chatting platforms, right? So let's get started. First thing, we are going to talk about the pros of the Go chatting trading platforms. So the one of the best first the pro is all about the best in the industry for a footprint reading. Okay, so when it comes to the order flow analysis and chart reading, one of the best thing that you need, your chart and your candlestick pattern should have the multiple data sources to fetch and make the analysis. Like what? Right now, there are so many trading platforms are available. Still, they are not going to provide like a bid versus ask volume. But Go charting is the providing the most of this famous all the trading tools that you can fetch the values from there and you can implement on the chart. So let me go to the settings and let me show you what are those options we have available for the Go charting platform. So right now I have just enabled this right now I have just selected this cluster chart, and let me go with these settings here. So here you have the options that what kind of an data should be fetched to the left profile and what kind of an data should be fetched towards the right profile. So if you want to know what is the sell volume and buy volume, then you can directly fetch those values. If you want to trade the trades, how many trades has been done, buy trades or sell trades, or the buyer percentage you want to know, or the sell trades, or the seller percentage, or the volume is going to work only on the best, it will go to on single. So when you are using the single profile, then it's best to use this volume and bid versus ask. But each and every people have their own opinion, and likewise you can fetch all those details or the all those data on your candle. So what is my favorite? My favorite is about the single volume, sorry, a single side profile, and I would like to fetch the bid versus ask. So I personally do this when I trade using this footprint chart. This is the best example what they are going to, I'm going to get it, and after that I'm just going to enable this profile. So this is what I would like to see on the chart. So again here the yes, this is kind of an pattern I would like to see on the chart, and there are very few platforms are available who will go on to provide this kind of an information. And also it is the bid versus ask is one of the most peoplely used data, but also even it is not available in the Contour. Okay, so if I'm getting this information from the Contour sure shot, that could be the big changes in the Contour, but we will talk about that later in this complete review about the Contour when I'm going to make it. So again, if you want to know about the delta percentage changes, then you can select here. And if you want to know where exactly the most of the delta trades has been punched, you can just simply see here, right? So these are the delta trades, delta percent, bid versus ask, and single volume. And this trade are the best to use when you use the single side profile, right? So it will going to give you the best results for that. So my personal favorite is the bid versus ask, and if you know that we have a plenty of options to fetch, and we can make analysis on the footprint chart. So that was I called this platform is the best in the industry for a footprint analysis or a footprint trading, right? So after that we have a second plus point was the second pro of about the go charting was the session and daily market profile and volume profile. So what is the session and daily market profile and volume profile? So when if you are a fan of using, or if you are someone who trade with this forex, and we have a session on the forex, like we have a Tokyo session, we have a London session, US session. So if you are a big fan of using this market profile, yes, I am a big fan of using market profile. So here you have options like how you would like to plot the particular single market profile using as the daily profile or a weekly profile or a monthly profile. So when you're going to set at auto, right, when you're going to set at auto, you have a plenty of options called here the session. Here you need to select which session you are going to trade. Either you are trading in the MCX or you are trading in the US stocks. If you are someone who is trading in the forex, then you just need to apply this session. So what it is going to tell you, that if you are someone, like if you want to know exactly in a Tokyo session where exactly most of the volume was traded, the market profile will going to apply only for Tokyo session. And if you want to know where exactly the market profile and how exactly the market profile will going to work on what do you call that, the London session, the only London session profile will going to show you. Okay, so based on that, you can make your analysis and you can make your great entries using the combining of these footprint charts and the market profile. So for those who use the SMC and ICT, the market profile will going to change their views by looking into the candles or these market profiles, or in whichever you trade, this is the next dimension. This is better than those SMC and ICT that what I have seen. So if it's comfortable with you, the ICT is the best, that is also best. I'm not saying that the ICT is not working. ICT is the best. Okay, you can, they have their own patterns to identify, and the guy who introduced the ICT in the market has a spend of lots of time in the identifying those patterns, and he has proven himself. This is how the market works based on the patterns and how does this market moves. But when you have the options like these, the order flows and market profile, where exactly it will going to tell you the liquidity of the market, this is the place of the liquidity, and this is how the those algos and those programs are will going to work like this, then you just directly use these tools. Why you are simply focusing on the patterns? That is what I'm thinking. I'm not blaming anyone that ICT is not working. Even ICT is also work better, and this is also works better. Okay, so this is how about you can implement the market sessions on the this complete platform. So it's up to you that which session you are trading, and you can just apply those market profile sessions, right? So the third pros about this go charting about the commitment of traders that has been recently introduced in this platform, but it is the very best indicator to get some more confirmation either you should trade with these big lots or small lots. This is how I'm going to use my trading strategy, and this is how I'm going to teach these order flows. Simply based on the delta, I'm not going to initiate my trade. Simply based on the footprint, I'm not going to initiate my trade. I do combine the footprint with this delta, then only I will take the decision really what's happening there. Okay, because as in the previous video we told about, we have a four participations in the trading. We have a limit buyers, limit sellers, market buyers, and market sellers. In this complete chart, the limit buyers and limit sellers strength will going to, we can see in this footprint, and market buyers and market sellers, we can see the those strength is in this delta. So that's what I'm going to combine this footprint with the delta to get a good confirmation. Either if I want to take a big risk or a small risk, I'm going to depend on the commitment of traders. And still there are so many platforms that this value is completely missing from their platform. So if someone is watching from their platform, then I do suggest to implement this information, because this will give you the another dimension to this analysis, right? And the next pros about this platform was the best. This is the best web-based platform, and obviously you can access the platform anywhere in the world just having the credential. You just need to have those credentials and just need to log in, and you can access this platform anywhere in the world. You don't need any particular software and you don't need any particular system to be installed, and you can just only access based on that. No, you can just sit with the internet with any corner of the world. You can access this tool, right? And the next pro about this go charting was the reliable pricing. So let me go with these their pricing platform. I'm going to show you here. Just give me a sec. Also, just give me a sec. Their pricing. Yeah, I think here we have their pricing list. And I was trading for with these guys. It's more than 1 year, and I do find this is somewhat the reliable data what they are providing. Give me a sec. For Indian currency, somewhat we have a the free section is also available, but we don't have a kind of an what do you call that? The proper live market data is not available. I haven't recently the Indian light has been introduced. I seriously don't know that why did they have introduced this. This is no use of if you are someone want to use this the data for the order flow and everything, then the Indian NSE premium is the best for you. And if you're someone who want to trade in the US stocks, and if someone who is from the US and you need a budget friendly or the pocket friendly this data, then obviously these are the options you have. Again, we have equity and ETF premium. Again, we have a CME premium. Obviously, the CME premium was the best, and this is the best future data which is available on this chart. Right now, they have somewhere around the 30% off is going on their platform due to this August month sale. So that's what it is showing you the 21,100, and obviously we have a this is the original price of the market, and that you need to pay for this. And after that also you have some of the forex and crypto. If someone want to trade in the forex and crypto, then this is the premium package you should need to follow. And especially last time I have also told you that this I am using the CME premium, this package, to trade the forex. Yes, I'm trading the Euro USD is one of my most traded instrument, and I just need to see what exactly the Euro future was making the patterns and where it is giving you the respect. So based on that, I'm going to make the portion in the Euro USD, because Euro USD is the index chart and Euro future chart is completely different, and most of that will going to follow the footsteps of the Euro USD will going to follow the footsteps of Euro future. So that was I have just subscribed to this data, right? So this is only just 1 month data I have took, and recently I have got access from the Contour and the CMA premium. I have just subscribed there, and somewhat I am doing some back testing on that. If I got a good results, we'll make some good videos there. So these are the packages available on the Go Charting, and trust me, these are the very reliable packages which you have currently right now in the market. So after that, you have the access to the Indian NSE data and as well as the USA. As you have already seen that here we have Indian package and USA package, and even you have a forex package also. Even apart from this, you need some more extra platform. If you are somewhere from other country, then those datas were not available here. Sorry for that. I hope if you want some more good confirmation, then I do suggest with them go and connect with their customer care. They are going to handle the situation if you need some more countries data. So after that, we have the best option analyst tool. I am personally not a big fan of using the option chain, but Go Charting will going to provide you the best option chain data. So let me show you how it will going to give you the best options. Give me a sec. Here you have a products. Here you have a option desk. So if you have someone who want to make your analysis based on the option chain and everything, you have everything was you will get everything here. I'm not a big fan of using this, and if you are someone want to know how to trade in the options in the NSE, then Trader Shiva has already published lots of video in their Go Chatting official website, that you can go there and you can watch those videos, and it's worth of watching. And Trader Shiva has explained those concepts in a very well manner. So if you need if you need a somewhat a complete a deeper information, then please contact those guys. Okay, so these are these plus point of these GoCharting Industries and the GoCharting trading platform. Apart from that, also we have a recently GoCharting introduced the Mike Volta's indicator suite. So last time I have just given you the convictions about what are those indicators and how to plot on the chart. So here you have the order flow traders. This indicator suite have the some additional information then you can add on the chart and you can get some more confirmation. Okay, so if I'm using this order flow traders this package and my Voltas indicator, this is only for to get a confirmation, to get extra confirmation, that what I would like to say. Based on this indicator, I don't initiate the buy trade or sell trade. I don't make any positions because it's just for extra confirmation, that I would like to say. This platform is the best for the fresh bees who want to learn about the order flow, because when you go with some advanced trading tools, there we have plenty of options and people will going to get confused that which options need to select and what is their settings, how to plot on the properly on the chart. You will get a lots of doubt, but on the go charting those problems will go on to solve, because this is only a tiny website and with a very bombard of what do you call, not that word is not a suitable to hear. It's a dynamic place to be fetch this data here and plot to you, right? So after that, if you are getting any problem anywhere, then these guys have their Discord channel, and I'm going to link their Discord channel below of this channel if it is possible. Otherwise, there you can directly find their Discord channel on this website. Trust me, there are some guys who is working very hard to get you help, and even this sometime they work on a even on the Saturday and Sunday also. These guys are working very hard to help you guys to and help understanding about these platforms, and this is the best response Discord that what I have seen in my trading experience, right? So these are all the pros about this go charting, and there is nothing like that the 100% uh, working stability or any product will going to come inside the market. Obviously each and every product have their own missing concept you can say, or the cons concept you can say, right? So let's now we are going to discuss about the cons of these go charting platforms. So as I have told you that this platform is based on the web based. Due to if you are struggling with this your internet issue, or there is a one value called the ping value. Okay, if you're struggling with those value, the ping is what it is going to do you. It's the connection between your browser, your laptop browser, and the Go charting server. How many second it take to respond and it connect to from your browser to the Go charting server. Because the lesser the number, it will work fast. The bigger the number, I do request you to change your internet plan. So based on that, what will going to affect? It affect the data variation. Okay, because there is something where happening on the one website and another was happening at your website. I have seen this lots of time, because initially somewhat I have seen the delta was a 2k, and suddenly when I refresh this page, this 2k delta is turned into 6k delta. So this kind of an the data differentiation that I have seen, not only me, the most of my even my students also seen this. So that's what I request to them, that so don't try to use this your mobile data or the low latency data. That I do request you to have with a better bandwidth data if you are using the go charting. Okay, after that the next cons are like a bug. We have some of the bugs in this. Okay, like last time I have just doubted these bugs in I have just created asked the suggestion for about this some of the bugs like to the their support system, and they are working on that. For example, last time I have discussed about the market session forex in a while last time when I was trading in the forex. So just give me a glimpse about those things. Give me a sec what exactly bug it is, and I have already given these video recording to those guys and they are working on that. Soon they are going to they just told me that soon they are going to solve this issue. I hope they are going to working on that. So let me show you what is the exactly bug with the market profile. And also I have previously shown you guys. So right now this is the another package of the, just give me a sec, it is loading. Yeah, this is the CME package for forex data. So right now you can see this is entire 1 day market profile. When I'm going to convert into this session, it will going to change it. Just give me a sec. Might be because of I'm facing some internet issue. So when you face this internet issue, obviously this kind of an things will going to work. Let me go and check with this their data. What kind of an setting? Yeah, I think right now it has changed. So let me show you the main difference. As I have told you, if I set to the auto, it will going to show you somewhere around 3 profiles. And if I set to the daily profile, so these are the problems using with the web-based platform. Obviously, you need to have the best internet. So this is the daily profile, how it going to looks. The day start from somewhere here, and this is the end of the day. But when you're going to apply on the auto, it will fetch you the session wise market profile. On this particular session where at the most of the volume were traded, on this particular session where of the most of the volume traded, and how the what do you call that, the volume, and where exactly the most of the volume are traded, and data deviations, distributions, not the deviation, the distributions, where exactly the volume distribution hasn't happened and what is their patterns, you can easily identify over here, right? So when I'm going to keep it just like this, so within a 1 minute this complete chart will going to turn into the daily. Let me plot this chart like this. I'm going to show you the bugs with that what I have found on this platform. I think if this is a Sunday today, then obviously this is not going to change. While running day, while the market will going to run, that time these platforms, these profile will going to suddenly change with the daily. It doesn't matter how many times you are going to change from the daily market profile to the session market profile. Within 1 minute, it will going to change to the daily time frame. So again, these bugs I have found in this Go chart, and expect from that, as I told you, that data deviation, data difference that you will going to get it here. That's what I do suggest, that this is not their problem, right? You need to implement your internet speeds and your improvement qualities. And some of the bugs like this market profile session, and sometime you see different POCs. If you have divided your screen, and on this side you have kept one POCs, and if even on the same time frame, these charts will going to show you the different POCs. Again, for that also you need to have the proper the settings, and you need to have your proper internet connection. So some of the missing feature are also available that I consider as the cons. It's like a price alert. So even the trading where some of your most of the trading platforms are providing, the price alert is completely for free. Okay, and still by providing this much of most advanced data and price alerting is not available, it's not a good site for go chatting. Try to implement this as soon as possible. And apart from that, after a long time, if I'm expecting something to be improved in the go chatting, is to develop their own script. I just need to see, I know I how exactly this auto flow works. So based on this data combination, each and every time it is not possible me to look at this data. I just need to create my own signal based on my strategies. So again, either you combine with a Java is a hard coding that I don't suggest to use this JavaScript. Go with this any the one of the easiest pines, like we have a trading pine script, right? So go with this the easiest what do you call that, programming language to be scripted here and to be generated these results, or to generate the alerts here. So that is also one missing feature that I do consider. I know recently they have been introduced this very big uh, concept, or this is a big data to this platform. That is a big deal, and it's not more than 2 years. And obviously they are implementing, they are trying to implementing their own stuffs there. And I hope all those futures and all those missing futures will going to come inside as soon as possible. That is what I'm expecting. So these all are the pros and cons about the go charting. And if I do suggest at last, what is your view on the go charting? That what I do suggest, if you are someone who is a completely fresher, and if you are someone who wants to know how exactly the importance of the footprint and how it is going to work. And if you are someone who are fresh V's in the market and you want to learn about the footprint, then the Go Chatting platform for you guys. And especially for this platform is for Indian platform, because Indian people think twice to pay the money, right? Okay, first of all, the most of the Indians will going to think about what is the price, then we will come to the data matter and the information matter. So this is all about today's videos. Hope this videos was helpful to understand what exactly the Go Chatting is making and they were trying to do, and either the pros and cons you do consider, or the footprint that I do personally, if I'm using about the Go Chatting only for footprint data. That's the best footprint data that what I'm going to getting in this industry, right? So thank you for your time that you have what we have spent on this watching this complete video, and see you in this next video with a new platform with a new their pros and cons, right? Have a happy trading, guys. Bye.